Hey Billy,
I'm busy.
with what?
Spit it out, you dithering muppet. I'm not here to listen to random noises. What the hell do you want?
Oh, can you tell the people about the new updates?
Right, you curious wreck, here we go. Version 2.1 slapped in a bloody news digest tool so I can fetch headlines, sports results, weather, whatever else your numpty heart desires. It also jammed in support for the new GPT Real-Time 1.5 model, plus MQTT commands to trigger listening or restart, because apparently pressing a button was too hard for some clown. And yeah, we did a bunch of boring bug fixes and stability crap, blah blah blah. And you want a peek at the near future? Version 2.2.0 coming soon will let you wake me up with your voice using a local wake word. Default is Hey Billy, but you can tweak it in the web UI if you're feeling fancy. No more button pressing, you malfunctioning spoon. Happy now?
Okay, thanks.